Hello, welcome to Willswheels 10-minute tea break again. Again, I'm not on tea, I'm on coffee this week because we're so behind with so much to do. But today, well actually we're not servicing any cars. You'll get to see us doing something different. What we're doing is offloading the world's rustiest old BMW. And I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is just yet because I want to see if any of you can tell me what it is. It's a pretty rare old model that nobody really remembers from BMW's history. It's one of the ones that really made them profitable, made them work, because after the war BMW were making bubble cars. You'll know about the little Isetta, of course, and then they started making some really expensive like prestige cars as well, but BMW were not profitable until they came out with a couple of new designs, one of which was the O2 and the other one was the one I'm going to show you today. And we have a couple of them for parts. They're known for being exceptionally rusty, and the one that we have is no exception. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what it's like just as we offload it here. Offloading is a bit of a process with this car because it is so rusty that all the brakes are seized. So come on, we'll have a wee look at it and you can see if you can figure out what it is. So here it is, and I don't know if you've seen rust like this before, but there is no door panel, there is no wing. The bonnet is a shell, the boot lid is absent pretty much. The trim at the side is where they rust especially. You can see it's starting to rust there, but this is just rusted everywhere. You know, you can actually see what colour the carpet is from underneath. There's no floor. Brakes are rusty. This is so rusty, but it is also really lovely inside. I'm gonna have a look. Let's set the cover down because this has got to take an effort. There we go. It's a really, really pretty inside. This is a lovely brown interior to go with this nice green exterior. So it's a good combination. These are not the original wheels, of course. These are E21 wheels that are set onto it in an effort to try and have some air in the tyres. The other side has the originals. The bumper is completely rotten. So what we're going to do now, we've got this all strapped up at the back, and then it's going to jump into this car and drive off, and hopefully this car is just going to come off the back. That's sort of the plan. Yep, that's not bad there. Good job.
Just still leave it hooked and drop
No,
it?
not with that one. Yes, I'm going to hook it to the fence then, and then I'm going to drive the truck away.
Right, I thought maybe cars still keep.
No, it'll be fine hooked there to the fence. So. Alright, there we are. One car half of the truck. I'll drive the truck away then and hook that to the fence and drive it out, and the car should theoretically slide off the truck. That's the plan. We've done this before, so we know this works, and I'm going to splice in a bit of video from a very similar car that we did just like this ages ago, and you'll see that video here somewhere, and when you come back I'll tell you what this is. Must be lying the strap.
Does it come with a free tetanus shot?
should hopefully do the trick. Oh no! You got eyes upon? Alright. Super.
You join me here inside 1974 BMW 1800 Neue Klasse, so otherwise known as an NK 1800, and there was also an NK 1500 and an NK 2000. 2000 being a 2 litre. These are all M10 engines, and these were made 1968 to 1974, I think, something like that. Either that or 66 to 72, I can't remember exactly. This is a 74 one, so it must have been in 74. And the other one we have is also a 74 one, but it's a 2000. This is an 1800. They're exactly the same otherwise. A little bit of spec differences. Some of them had twin round lights at the front instead of the square ones. These, being the later ones, had the sort of more rectangular front lights. And these are from the era when it was still cool to smoke. And there's a couple of 1990s cigarettes in there. They're showing 7,905 miles on the clock, which I don't know if that's genuine or if it's been round, but even if it is genuine, it's still not the lowest mileage car we have in this yard. And 4-speed manual, as they were. Massive Bakelite sort of feeling steering wheel, and just gorgeous 60s, 70s design interior where you had loads of space, lots of fishbowl glass to get baked through, and yeah, really nice place to be. And it would be great to have one of these that wasn't completely stinking, because they seem to be a nice car, and the M10 engine of course is just legendary. So this would probably be a really nice thing, and they're really not that valuable. You know, a really good one will still only set you back between £8,000 and £12,000 for a really good one. They're a lovely car, lovely looking thing, have a certain classic poise about them. But for now, I'm gonna sit back, have my cup of coffee in this lovely sumptuous 70s vinyl interior, and see you next week.